Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to talk about how to remove the acne marks or how to remove the acne which are really kind of troubling you, and how to remove the pimples or how the pus formation happens and why it happens. What is that thing which is really troubling you guys? There are some homeopathic remedies which are really helpful in the treatment of acne. So I'll be also giving some creams which you can apply externally, that is also homeopathic creams which can give you the faster results. If you have any kind of acne marks or any kind of blackheads, whiteheads, and any kind of pimple, deep cyst on the face, you're getting so big pimple and there is so much of pus formation in that pimple and you feel like it's troubling you a lot and everything, then this video is for you. We'll be talking about homeopathic medicines which are really helpful in the treatment of acne. Antium crude, pimples on the face and shoulders of fat people with dry skin and indigestion. This is one of the peculiar thing that the patient will be very much junk food eating, and because of junk food eating, unhealthy eating, not maintaining a proper diet, there is indigestion which also leads to the pimple formation. So what this person can do is correct as junk food eating, means eat unhealthy food, eat at a correct time, and eat in home. Don't eat something which is really undigestible or very fatty kind of thing. Go for walk, do some physical activities. Of course your pimples will be reduced. Or you can also take antium crude, but with that you should also correct your diet. Next one is arsenic alba, acne on the nose. The patient will be saying that whiteheads and the blackheads are only on the nose area. That time you can think arsenic alba. And there is Berberis vulgaris, which is one of the Berberis aqua, which is one of the most used remedies in the homeopathy for the treatment of pimples or acne. Dry pimples and acne, clear complexion, and helps removing marks left after the cure of the acne. You can also use it in a mother tincture form to as a toner, or you can also use SPL cream is there, and so many creams are there according to Berberis aqua. You can apply that on the night after washing the face and you can just sleep. Old acne marks will be also removed. I had given this Berberis aqua for the person who came. She was a little bit of mid whitish color, but after puberty she was into darkness and she had so much of darkness in her face as if it is tanned like that. So she was going through a marriage was there. So she came, sir, she explained her case, and I said that okay, we are going to do something and to improve her complexion and to bring back her complexion which she was having before. For that we gave the Berberis aqua because it has a component which can really make your skin little bit fair. Borax, pimples on the face and the lips which become swollen. Calcarea carp, little pimples on the roots of the hair which bleed when scratched in fat and flabby girls. Calcarea fos, acne of anemic girls at puberty with menstrual troubles. Calcarea sulf, pimples and pustules on the face and around the ears discharge a yellow secretion. Causticum, acne of the nose. Chelidonium, painful red pimples. Dulcamera, eruptions on hands, arms or face around the menstrual period. Graphitis, acne worst during and after the periods with dry skin. Epasulf, pimples which suppurates with white pus, may be as large as pea. Hydrocotyle, great dryness of the skin, acne of red color on the skin, nose and chin. Calcareous, acne worst during the menses, means the patient will be saying that before the starches of their periods or during the periods or after the period, they have so much of acne or the pimples on the face. After that there is nothing, only 5 days they will be having this trouble and everything, and they say that thirst acne are very painful. That time also you can give kali. Caliprome, itchy pimples on the face, chest and shoulders, blackheads with a depressed center as if papular eruption of smallpox with burning and pain. Acne may be associated with increased desires and hormonal changes or puberty. It also helps removal of scars left after the cure of the acne. Kali Mure, vesicular type of acne containing thick white contents. Ledampal, red pimples on forehead with the cheeks. Magnesium Mure, pimples of the face and forehead which appear before the start of periods and when the patient is constipated. This is one of the peculiar symptoms of the magnesium Mure, that even for the periods correction also when we are giving it may also be an accompanying symptom also, so you should rule out properly. Medorinum, acne and bloats of the red color on the face. Mercurous soil, pimples, vesicular and pustular eruption along with the pimples. Skin is always moist with viscid sweats. Nitromure, pimples with an oily skin, earthly complexion. Nitric acid, black pores of face, papules worst on the forehead. Uferinum, acne and other skin disorder during the climatic changes also you can give when the patient is going through any kind of ovulation time and she is having this kind of acne problem, then also you can give the uferinum. Pulsatilla nigra, pimples worst at puberty and at the start of menstruation, especially in girls who are overweight and have delayed menses. Radium brome, small pimples with itching, burning, swelling and redness. Great burning is the keynote for the use of this remedy. Acne rosacea, birthmarks, moles and ulcers are inflamed by this use. Sanguinuria, red pimples or red like eruption which is filled with pus or eruption on the face and body with sensation of burning and so much of itching. The patient will be itching as if it's going to bleed, but still the patient has to remove that pimple because it will be so much irritating for them. This is sanguinuria. Selenium wet, black pimples and black corns or blackheads, whichever thing you may be saying. Sepia, pimples on the forehead near the roots of the hair. Silicea, rose colored eruption is there, skin is pale, waxy and the patient is also very chilly. Sulfur, acne in the orifice of the eyes. Sulfur iodine, acne and pustules on the face. Insulinum, red pimples with violent itching, especially in the diabetic patients. Tarantula, cubans, septic, burning, painful and red pimples. Thuja occasionalis, pimples with the pus, worst after the scratching, an excellent remedy for acne. The skin is very dry. Then also you can think of Thuja occasionalis. Thuja should be given in a minimal form or in higher potency, repeat after 1 month, that's all. Or if it is repeat after 1 month only, no need of a repetition of 15 days also, because it is an acne kind of thing. Acne face lotion, if you ask for, I already said Berberis Aqua, Ledampal, Echinacea, belly spur, calendula, arnica. These are the homeopathic remedies which are really helpful in the removal of acne marks, or for the fairness, or for the pimples production, or for the treatment of pimples, which is used externally. If you ask the mother tincture, of course you can go with mother tincture berberis aqua. Take 2 drop or 3 drop on a cotton and just rub it on your face after washing your face. Just rub it and you can just sleep. But if you are getting irritated with that smell, then after half an hour or 1 hour you can just wash your face and just go back to the sleep. It same happens with the ledampal and the calendula, arnica, everything, mother tincture. Echinacea also, if there is an eruption, pus formation like that, you can also use echinacea. And these are some homeopathic remedies which are really helpful in the treatment of acne formation and treatment of acne and the cure of acne marks, and which really avoids the formation of acne on the skin. Thank you so much. Please like and subscribe. Myself, Dr. Megha from Homeopathy Clinic. I am a practitioner of homeopathy from 5 years. Thank you so much.